Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a repository private in GitHub. To make a repository private in GitHub, start by navigating to the repository that you want to change. Click on the Settings tab at the top right side. And under the General section, scroll all the way down until you find the Danger Zone. You'll see an option that says Change Repository Visibility. Click Change Visibility, then select Change to Private. A confirmation window will pop up asking you to verify your decision. Once confirmed, your repository will no longer be visible to the public. Only you and the collaborators you grant access to can view it. Keep in mind that if your repository was previously public, any existing forks or clones will remain accessible, but new visitors won't be able to see it. This is useful for keeping in-development projects hidden until you're ready to share them publicly. And that's how to make a repository private in GitHub.